Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to type euro symbol in Excel. So insert, then symbols. Here subset, select currency symbols in drop down, and here select Unicode HEX. Now select euro, and also guys you can enter character code 20SE, then click on insert. That's it. So this is the way guys you can insert euro symbol in Excel. So this way guys you can type and insert euro symbol in Excel. Just you have to follow these steps: insert symbols, select currency symbols, and select euro. And also you can enter character code 20SE. And that's it. Thanks for watching.